Okay, now we shall deal with boring and drilling tools. Now in drilling and boring, basically we have drill bits. This is a twist drill bit with a parallel shank. This is called a shank. This is the tip. Okay, this is at an angle of 118 degrees. This tip, if you see, this is at an angle of 118 degrees. The tip is at an angle of 118 degrees. Then we have this bit. This is a flat bit. This is specifically used in carpentry and joinery. This is used for making holes in wood. The difference between this and this is used in metals, in wood, generally in metals. It is used in the fitting shop, it is used in the machine shop. This is used in the carpentry shop only. This is used only on wood. Then we have the gimlet. This is used to start. If you can see, this is used to start a hole or for a screw. When you want a screw to be inserted in wood, we use a gimlet first. There are bigger sizes also. This is also used for drilling. If you can see, the hole is being drilled. Then we have braces. This is called a wheel brace. It has a geared teeth. We hold a drill bit here. Inside. And we tighten it. This is the chuck, drill chuck. Besides this, we have one more brace which is called a ratchet brace. Here there is a ratchet. This moves only in one direction. It won't allow the movement in the other direction. You can set which direction you need. See, now it was working in this direction. Now it is locked in this direction. The other direction is locked. This direction it can move. So now, while drilling, the first thing what we do is we hold the bit. Once the bit is held, we apply force, and as you can see the chips coming out. So this is called a ratchet brace, and this is a wheel brace. Besides these, we have drilling machines. On a drilling machine, first we hold the work, before holding the workpiece, we hold the drill bit or the tool in the drill chuck. We hold the workpiece in a vise. And then We position the workpiece on the machine. Do not stop the chuck by hand. This is the hole that is drilled.